Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition, a 1959 Fairlane Skyliner. I'll tell you all the details in a minute. Greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, where we're going to give you all the details about our latest acquisition, a 1959 Ford Skyliner convertible. You'll want to watch the entire video from start to finish because we're going to do a cold start, a walk around, and we're even going to show you how this really cool top works. And that's what we're going to talk about right now, because in 1959, it was the third year for Ford with the new Skyliner, not the Sunliner, Sunliner being a soft top convertible, Skyliner being the hard top convertible. And that's what we have right here. Probably in one of the best colors you could ever ask for in a 59 Ford. I mean, the white and red just stands out in a crowd. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous all the way around. And this car was restored to an incredibly high level of restoration. The chrome, the paintwork, everything about this car is first class, all the way done, and it is solid as a rock. Underneath it is just clean, and everything about this car is as good as you can actually get if you want to restore one. Why restore one when you can buy one right from us, all ready to go, turnkey and the likes. So it comes with the 352 Ford V8, of course, which is a really good motor for this car. It even has power steering on this car, and they have upgraded power brakes on it just because they've put a little later model, so you have a dual master cylinder for safety concerns, which I think is really a good thing. And one other really neat thing, if you look on the other side, there's a thing called air conditioning. They made sure to make that a big deal. In 1959, air conditioning was a very, very expensive option, and a lot of people didn't step up to the plate for that. But now, when you find one with an original air conditioning stuff, it's really, really special. Not that there isn't anything else really special about this, but it is just really neat. And here's one of the things that I get a kick out of as a kid. This car has the plastic seat covers on it for preserving the seats. Well, in my dad's 57 Oldsmobile, we didn't have plastic seat covers. If you went to the Dairy Queen, you better not slop on those seats or you got big trouble. Whereas, you know, this one, you can have all the ice cream you want and just wipe it right off. Just one of those things that just brings back childhood memories for me. You have the Ford Cruise-O-Matic, the 3-speed with the automatic on the column. Also, look at this neat option. It's got dual factory spotlights. I'll tell you what, that's really cool. It really is something that you just don't see very often, and they even work. Many of them they put on these cars nowadays are just fakes that they just put on. These are actually the real McCoys. Those are absolutely what you would have ordered on this car in 1959. The other nice thing about this car, take a look at how beautiful the hubcaps are with the red, white, and blue centers with the wide white walls, and it's got the radial tires. So you talk about a nice ride for a big car. This is a full-size Ford in 1959, and it has one other thing that makes it even bigger. Take a look on the back. It's got the Continental kit. So this is not one for one of those little tiny parking spaces. You need a big space to park this car. And, you know, I guess if I'm going to the local car show, I'm probably taking up 3 spaces anyway, just so I don't have to worry about door dings or any of that kind of stuff. But yeah, take a look at the inside of this car. It is just fantastic. Power windows. Whoever ordered this car new in 1959, they didn't spare anything. They got all the bells and whistles that you could ask for. Just really, really spectacular in that sense. You can find all of our cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. You know, take a look. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. There's always interesting articles and stuff that you can find on cars that we currently have in stock or cars that we've had in the past that also are very unique. But yeah, I'm just looking at, we get some cars like this once in a while, but this is one of those exceptional, really, really stellar cars. When you do the walk around and look at this car, you're going to see it was done to the nth degree. Dual exhaust, it's got the, like I say, the Continental kit. It's just, even the Ford Kleenex box. I mean, come on. Like I said, they didn't miss anything. So if you want a really special car, you want to come down and look at it in person, we'd love to have you stop in at Ellingson's. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5 and Saturdays 10 to 4. Come on down in person. I mean, this is really one of those exceptional cars. Maybe you need to fill in part of your collection. Maybe you want this is your first collectible car. Well, I'll tell you what, this is the way to find them. All done, turnkey, ready to go. Even has a padded dash, so I don't get any more scars on my forehead that I got when I was a kid, because many old cars did not have a padded dash, and when mom hit the brakes a little too hard, sometimes you got a little reminder that seat belts weren't mandatory in those days, whereas this car actually has front seat belts as well. So if you want to take a look, please visit our website. There's something there that you would enjoy, and this one is really, really special. Well, we'll see you next time. Well, here we go. We are going to put the hardtop up on our Skyliner. I will hit the button here. It is quite the amazing technological deal that they came up with in 1957, 58, and 59 with the micro switches and all. You know, you'll see all of our cars on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. But yeah, this is just really a spectacular operation when you get right down to it. You just have to hold the key. All the micro switches have to go properly work. Look at that, the hardtop comes up. I mean, it's a heavy unit. I mean, it's got quite the deal. Look at this thing, beautiful. Always best, of course, you have to be doing this when the car is running. Gives plenty extra power. She'll come right up. This flips forward just like this. And you keep holding the switch and it retightens itself down. And of course the trunk area comes down. Beautiful interior in this car, just absolutely wonderful. And there you go, all done.